Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to change starting weight in MyFitnessPal. So actually that's so easy and so simple to have been completed. And what I want to do guys first is to make sure that you already have an account on the MyFitnessPal app, and if you are not, you can create one just by having the app from the Play Store or the App Store. It depends on which phone system that you have. And after that, I just want to launch it. Alright, so just by tapping on it, it will be launched automatically, and it will be forwarded directly to the home page or to the dashboard actually. And yeah, after that, I just want you to go into sorry into these three dots. It's more, so it's based on the bottom right corner. So once you tap on it, you will be able to see goals right here. So I just want you to tap on this option, and right here as you can see you have the starting weight on the top of the options. So once you tap on the starting or weight right here, you will be able to change it just by tapping on the weights that you started with. So for example, I will consider that I gained 5 kilograms, so I will change it from 70 to 75, and then I will just tap on set. Alright, so just like that, I changed my starting weight. So that's how to change starting weights in MyFitnessPal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.